Hey everyone, my name is Joe. I'm here at BMW of Westbrook, Maine, just bringing you a quick tutorial on this beautiful X2 M35i, one of my favorite vehicles here, and I just want to show everyone how to pair their phone with the iDrive system. Super simple process, but something that I get asked about almost every day, so I figure it'll be helpful to have a video to refer to in the future. So here we are. Like I said, this is iDrive 6. This will look a little different if you have iDrive 7 or an earlier version, but the same basic steps still apply. So to start, I've just got to navigate to the communication section here, then manage mobile devices. If you've had your phone paired before, it may already show up in here. You're going to have to delete it out because we're doing a fresh pairing in this video. But there's nothing in here already, so we're going to select connect a new device. If it were an iPhone, I would select Apple CarPlay, but it's just an Android, so we're going to start with telephone. That'll still allow us to do all our calls in and out of the car and play music through the radio. Select telephone. The car is now displaying its name. Now I can open the settings on my phone here and get into the Bluetooth section. Oh, excuse me. So there's the settings, Bluetooth, and then we should have the car show up in here in just a moment. There it is. Again, if the car's name were already under the paired devices, I'd have to delete it out, just like we did on the car, but it's not, so I'm just selecting it. It's now going to ask us to confirm a code that's displayed on the phone and on the car. Just got to make sure they match. Click OK on the phone, and then the same on the car here. Now it'll pair up. It'll ask us on the phone if we want to share our contacts with the car. We do, because we obviously want to make calls through the car, so we'll allow that. That's it. As long as I leave the Bluetooth on my phone turned on, anytime I get into the car, it'll pair right up and be easy as that. So that's it. Super quick and easy tutorial, but I hope this helps. Have a great day, everyone.